Hey, Ivy here. Today, let's dive into how you can use AI to create a personalized workout plan that keeps you motivated. We all know that sticking to a workout routine can be challenging, especially when life gets busy or when you're just not feeling it. But what if I told you that AI could make this process a whole lot easier and even fun? By using AI, you can have a workout plan that's tailored specifically to your fitness level, preferences, and goals. This means no more one-size-fits-all routines that don't quite fit your needs. Instead, AI analyzes your data to suggest exercises you actually enjoy and creates a schedule that works with your lifestyle. Imagine having a workout plan that feels like it was made just for you, because it was. Plus, as you progress and your fitness level changes, AI can adjust your plan to keep it fresh and challenging. This adaptability helps you avoid plateaus and keeps you motivated to push forward. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, AI can provide the right mix of exercises to keep you engaged and excited about working out. It can even suggest new activities to try, making sure you never get bored. So let AI handle the planning while you focus on enjoying your workouts and seeing the results. And guess what? Tomorrow, we're going to explore how AI can help you organize your daily tasks efficiently, making your life a little bit easier. Make sure to tune in for that. See you then.